Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we'll discuss about check your internet connection. Check your internet connection. Voice over the internet calls. Voice over the internet calls may keep dropping if your cellular may keep dropping if your cellular or Wi-Fi connection is slow or doesn't have internet access or doesn't have internet access. Test your connection and make sure your internet is working. Test your connection and make sure your internet is working. Open your web browser. Open your web browser. Visit any website. Visit any website and monitor how fast the page loads. And monitor how fast the page loads. If your cellular connection is slow, if your cellular connection is slow, refer to our tutorial on improving mobile data. Refer to our tutorial on improving mobile data, speed to fix your internet. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.